I recently updated my personal social media accounts with a new profile photo. I thought since it was January, it was time for a fresh new look. But underneath, especially on Facebook, I started getting comments on that photo from people that kind of suggested that they hadn't seen me for a very long time. One said, "There he is, I hope you're well." Another said, "Just yesterday I was thinking of you and wondering if you were well." And then another said, "Do you have any new videos out?" And this really confused me because, of course, as many other people will know, I've not been anywhere. We've been working through Trench, and before that, the music industry videos, before that, vlogs, and then I think it was Answers before that, maybe The Secret of Joy or The Reason for Pain. So basically 1 or 2 videos a week for about 10 years. So I was trying to get my head around this. Why does everyone think I've fallen off the face of the earth? Why do people think I've disappeared? And the only conclusion I can come to is that the Fuel Project videos are being buried on social media platforms. I'm posting these things every week, but they're just not being seen. So I replied to one of these comments explaining what we've been up to recently on this channel, and then she replied asking what the videos were called and where they can be seen. And then a little bit further down, others joined in on this thread and said they hadn't seen anything pop up for a long time either on their feeds. And then another guy said he'd been wondering the same thing about new videos. And then another said she'd had a hard time locating even the older videos when she'd actively searched for them. So this is all coming as a big shock to me. I'm stunned about this. I thought everyone knew where to find the videos. I thought that when I was posting on social media, it was reaching the people that wanted to see it. And if they weren't watching, it was just because they weren't interested, which is absolutely fine. But as it turns out, it seems like everything's being suppressed and it's not reaching even the people who would like to see it. So I've got 2 theories on this now. One is that because I'm making Christian content and countercultural content, it's being buried for that reason by big tech. You see, before you post videos on YouTube, you're supposed to self-declare if it contains anything that advertisers might not like. And since the majority of my videos do contain non-PC content, I declare that, and I often get a little message saying, well, that might affect visibility. So it could be that, it's most likely that. And then the other reason I can think of is that I typically don't adapt to social media changes. You see, social media companies are always changing the rules of the game, they're always tweaking the algorithm, they're always introducing new features, and if you don't make use of the new features, and if you don't adapt and dance to their tune, it tends to be that you stop getting traction and visibility. So Instagram users will know, for example, that photos stopped getting traction when they introduced Reels, and if you didn't start posting Reels, you just wouldn't have any visibility anymore. YouTube have also introduced Shorts now, and so it could be that if you don't make use of Shorts, you just don't grow. So it could be things like that as well. I've always had the idea that I don't want to play the social media game or dance to their tune, but I just want to make informative videos, but it could be that because I'm not dancing to the social media tune and playing the game, that I'm not getting traction and that the videos just aren't being seen. However, all that being said, because it's just become so clear to me in the past week that nobody's seeing the videos, I did want to make this one video where I'm going to encourage you to do 3 things. So if you're seeing this video, this is what I'd like you to do. You don't have to do this, of course, but if you would like to do it, if you would like to see the videos, this would really help the channel out if you could do these 3 things right now. Firstly, if you want to keep up with the Fuel Project and the videos going forward, go to YouTube and type youtube.com/The Fuel Project. That will take you to the official Fuel Project YouTube channel. Now, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a subscribe button. If you click that button, it makes it more likely that you'll see the videos popping up on your home screen in the future. The Fuel Project will also get added to a subscriptions menu down here on the left-hand side of the screen. And whenever you see a dot next to the channel name, that means that a new video has just been posted for you to watch. On mobile, it's just as easy. Search for the Fuel Project using the search bar at the top. The channel should come up instantly. And again, if you click the subscribe button there, it's the same deal. There's no charge for subscribing. It doesn't commit you to anything. It just means that you're more likely to be kept in the loop with what's going on. The next thing that I want you to do, but only if you won't find this annoying, is after you've clicked subscribe, it'll say subscribed, and then you'll also see a little bell called the notification bell. Click that again, and then click all. And if you do that, it means that each time a new video is posted, you'll get a little notification directly to your phone. So you'll know instantly when a new video has been posted. If you're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, make sure to hit the subscribe or follow buttons on all of those accounts as well. And that will increase the likelihood that you'll see the postings on at least one of those platforms going forward. And then finally, if you ever do randomly think to yourself, do you know what? I've not seen anything from the Fuel Project for a while. I wonder what's going on with the Fuel Project. I wonder where Mark's gone. Go to thefuelproject.org. It appears that many are not aware that this ministry even has a website, but if you go to thefuelproject.org, it's recently been redesigned, so hopefully it should be easy to find what you want there. And as you scroll down, you'll see all of the series in chronological order, the newest ones first, going back to the oldest ones at the bottom. If you want to know more about any of these series, you just click on the square and you can start watching. You'll see a little synopsis of what each one's about as well. You can also click news, and along the top of the news page, it will show the most recent content there as well. So it's all on the website at thefuelproject.org. Like I say, I don't particularly want to do the social media thing and interrupt every single video to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, but I thought I would make a video just this once. I'd make this dedicated video about it because it does seem that people just are not aware of what's being posted and they really aren't sure where to find any of this. So I'd be shooting myself in the foot if I didn't at least try to make people aware of this. So if you did those things, thank you for all of your help. And hopefully, if you do want to keep in touch with this ministry, now that you've done those things, videos and content should start showing up on your social media feeds a bit more often.